I think the most powerful AI tool that I use every day is meeting summaries. I literally use it for every single meeting, whether it's Zoom meetings or Microsoft Teams meetings. But the problem is when you go to Zoom meetings, you're using Zoom's AI companion, and when you're going to Teams meetings, you're using Copilot. What if we can just use Zoom for both meetings? That way, every meeting summary is contained in either the Zoom client or the Microsoft Teams client. That way, wherever I live in a workflow perspective, I can just go to that client and view the meeting summaries, regardless if they're Zoom and regardless if they're Microsoft Teams. You can do that now with Zoom AI Companion, and it's pretty cool. I'll show you how to do it next. So here's my Zoom client calendar. By the way, it's fully integrated with Microsoft Exchange Calendar. You can see that on the top left-hand corner has a little Microsoft icon. That means my calendar is fully integrated with Microsoft Exchange and Outlook and Teams, for example. So on Friday, I knew I had a Zoom meeting on Office 365 integration, and I missed it. So now I want to go view the summary of what happened during that meeting. So just click on that Microsoft Exchange meeting in your calendar and literally pull up AI Companion. So now you see the AI Companion choices. Let's click on it. Now I can just go to summarize this meeting. An AI Companion on the right window will summarize exactly what happened during that Zoom meeting, even though the meeting was in my calendar in Exchange. So you can see on the right side, there's summaries and next steps. This is from the Zoom client though. What if you live in Microsoft Teams? Let's go over there and find out. So here's my Zoom client inside of Microsoft Teams with our Zoom app. Let's again go to that Friday meeting directly from Microsoft Teams. I'm going to click on today and we'll go to Friday. And now you can see that that exact Office 365 integration status meeting is inside of my Microsoft Teams client using the Zoom app. And if you look real carefully, you'll see the Zoom AI meeting summaries embedded inside the Microsoft Teams client. So I can easily just click on what the Zoom AI meeting was about and click on the summary. Remember, I'm inside of Microsoft Teams, and now I can fully view Zoom AI Companion meeting summaries directly from my Microsoft Teams client, even though it was a Zoom meeting. You can clearly see a quick recap. You can clearly even see next steps associated with what happened during the Zoom meeting, and I can clearly see the full summary of what happened. That is pretty powerful. So you can clearly see Zoom's strategy here is to extend capabilities of Microsoft into the Zoom client and extend Zoom capabilities into the Microsoft clients like Microsoft Teams. I think Zoom realizes that users can stay in either platform. You literally have choice. If I want to stay in Zoom and do all my Zoom stuff as well as Microsoft stuff, I can do that. If I want to stay in Microsoft Teams and do Zoom stuff, I can do that too. It's about providing choice to the user. What workflow works best for you? It's not a 0 or 1. We don't live in this draconian IT world anymore where, hey, we're IT. We're going to shove down whatever we think is the best or whatever maybe procurement paid for, and you have to use that. No, it's a providing choice to the user. What tool works best for their workflow? That might be Microsoft Teams. That might be Zoom, but we have to do other stuff inside those platforms, like integrating Teams meetings inside of Zoom and integrating Zoom components like phone and meetings inside of Teams. It's a matter of choice. Anyway, I hope you learned a little something. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.